Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a cup of coffee, so let's get started. First, draw a line down and a curve to the right. Outwards again. And stop at here. Continue from here. Draw a curve to the right. And a curve to the right again. Just following with me. Now, draw the curve down. And again. Draw two round big eyes inside with a circle and another smaller circle. Draw the details. A curve here and a curve here too. Three lines inside. And here too. Draw the mouth. And a heart here. Now we have a cup of coffee. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.